Hello everyone, my name is Jim Sipar. I'm a developer with Redpanda, and I'm excited to show you the Iceberg integration that we've been working on. This will be available in a public beta at the end of October, so soon you'll be able to download this and try it out yourself. So here I have a fresh Redpanda cluster running. If I do a topic list, you can see there's no topics configured. The first thing you have to do to enable this is set a cluster-wide configuration parameter, enable data lake, which turns on this new feature. And then after that, we're going to create a couple of topics to do the demo. The first one, so I'm going to be demoing both a schema-less topic where we don't register a schema with the schema registry and one with the schema. So first I'll create a schema-less topic. And the next thing I have to do is actually turn on Iceberg support for that topic. So you can see I'm setting the parameter Iceberg topic here. And I'm going to do the same thing, but another topic that we won't call schemaless. And I will turn on Iceberg support for that as well. And in a minute, I'll show you how we actually upload the schema. But first, let's take a look at the schemaless topic. So I'm going to run rpk topic consume just so we can watch what's going on in that topic. And go over to this window where I have a data set of some Twitter data. So this is, if you look at the header here, this is Twitter data with a topic, sentiment, tweet ID, tweet date, and tweet text. So relatively simple. And I have a producer script that will just send this data to Redpanda. So I'm going to run that producer script, and I'm going to tell it to produce to the schemaless topic. So if I start running that, it prints out what it's doing, and you can see over here RPK is, or the topic consume is showing us the data. So we're getting that data in Redpanda. But because this is an Iceberg topic, it's also showing up in our Iceberg table. So let's pop over to ClickHouse, which is a data warehouse that has Iceberg support. And the first thing we're going to do is create an Iceberg table. So basically link that Iceberg table to ClickHouse. And the way we do that is create table. We're calling it test topic schemaless, and we're giving it the engine Iceberg with the location. So this is running on a local min.io. If by default this will upload to Amazon S3, but for this test I'm just going to min.io. So we have a table. And now we can actually use it. So the first thing I'll do is select, whoops. Sorry, that's not right. Copy and pasted a little too much there. So I select some data from it, and you can see we have timestamp, key, and the value. But because this is a SQL table, we can do SQL queries on it. So here I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to do a select. I'm going to get just the key. I'm going to count them and group by key. So we can see we've got, so this is a Twitter data set specifically about the tech industry. So we have tweets about Apple, Twitter, Google, Microsoft. If I run that again, wait a few seconds to make sure we have new data, and you'll see the counts have increased. Microsoft went from 204 to 235 because the table is being updated live as we add new data to Redpanda. So that's schemaless support. You see it, the table is just key value timestamp. But if we look back at our data, we have structured data. We would like to expose that structure in the table. And the way we do that is by simply uploading a schema to the Redpanda schema registry, and our Iceberg support will automatically use that to build a structured table. So to do that, I made a protobuf schema for this data set. So it's got a string topic, string sentiment, int64 tweet ID, string tweet text, and string tweet date. So the first step is register that schema with the schema registry. So I'm saying this belongs to the test topic, not the schemaless one. Now we have a schema, and let's just produce data to that topic. So now we're producing data to the topic with a schema. So now we go back to ClickHouse and we register this new table. Remember, it's a different topic, so that gets a different table. This is our test topic table. Done. And now instead of just key and value, we have the columns from our table. So we have topic, sentiment, tweet ID, and tweet text. And so you can see there's our Twitter data. And again, we can do the same sort of analysis we did before, where we can group by topic and count things up. But because we have structured data, we can do more advanced analysis. We could select topic and sentiment and group by two things. And so we can see by company what the different sentiments are. So that's our Iceberg support. Thanks for watching.